everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you my QVC haul. Yeah, so let's get started. We're going to start with this Loccitane 4-piece home and away set. So it's the shower gel or shower oil, the almond shower oil, the baby shower oil, the small one shower oil, and by the way, this is 8.4 fluid ounce, this is a 2.5 fluid ounce, and then the hand cream for dry skin. So this comes in a 5.2 ounce and this one is probably 1.7 ounce. And it looks like this. So that's the Loccitane Home and Away set. Then we have this Josie Maran Bare Naked Wipes 3-piece set. So cute. And these come in with 30 wipes each. And it retails for $29. The Loccitane was a one-day special for, I think, $40. And of course, I will do a review on those two. Then we have this 4-piece set from Philosophy. I'm sorry, 3-piece set. This is the Amazing Grace 3-piece set. This was a one-day only special. This is a shower bath, shampoo, bath and shower gel, 16 ounce. The Firming Body Emulsion, 16 ounce. And the Satin Finish Body Oil Mist. So these three. That's going to be for my mom. That's what she's going to get for Mother's Day. One off. And while we're on Philosophy, I picked up the 4-piece layering set from their TSV, their 2-day special value last week. And it comes with, this is a new scent. It's called Hula Girl. And this one has the 64 fluid ounce bottle, this big jumbo beauty right here. And then it comes with a 16 fluid ounce of the, and that's a shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. And then the 16 ounce version. And the Body Souffle, Glazed Body Souffle, and this is the 16 ounce. And then you have the Body Spritz, 16 ounces. So that's the Philosophy Hula Girl 4-piece layering set. I will be doing a review on that as well, since that is a new scent. And then I picked up a 2-piece one-day only special from Philosophy. And this was their Fresh Cream and Warm Cashmere. Fresh Cream and Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere shower gel, bubble bath, and shampoo. So here is the Fresh Cream. This is a 32 fluid ounce. And this is the Fresh Cream with Warm Cashmere. You can see that I've already used it. There will be a review on this. And then you have I picked up the duo of the Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm and the Red Camellia Lip Balm. And the packaging is just beautiful. Then it looks like that. Do you see how lovely that is? And that's that gorgeous beauty right there. That's the Red Camellia Lip Balm. And then I also, it's a duo, so it came with the Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. Still with camellia oil. And I want to be as delicate as I can in taking this out. There we go. And there we have it. With the gold leaf. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you see the gold flecks in there? So that is the Gold Spun Lip Balm. I actually pick up 2 sets. That will be in another haul. And then I also picked up another set, which is the Celebration Kit, which has, from Tatcha, which has the Kyoto Red Silk Lipstick and limited edition Red Camellia Lip Balm. Another one. So let's start with the Kyoto lipstick. Oh wow. It is gorgeous. It's heavy, substantial. And it says Kyoto Red on the bottom. And it looks like this. It is just beautiful, beautiful work of art. And here's the color. Isn't that beautiful? As you know, red is my favorite color. Okay, and then it's the same Red Camellia Lip Balm that I just showed you in that. So you see this same Red Camellia Lip Balm. So I won't open that one. And yes, I know I bought another set. That will be in another haul when it comes here. And then I picked up the Tatcha Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream. And that comes with 10 masks. What is it called? The Tatcha Ageless Eye Cream and set of 10 eye masks. Eye cream. And the masks are in this pouch. And here they are. So these are the Luminous Deep Hydration Revitalizing Eye Masks. And then the eye cream Again, beautifully packaged. And by the way, recycle the packages. And here is the eye cream, just gorgeous. Okay. And I know this looks like a Tatcha and Philosophy haul. It does, doesn't it? And then we have a glowy Tatcha Dewy Glowing Skin and Set of 5 sheet masks. These are the new ones. So, I can't wait to use this. And these are 0.68 fluid ounce. I'm sorry I've not been telling you that. And then we have, from Philosophy, this is Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere fragrance. This is a 2 fluid ounce bottle. And it looks like this. And forgive me, savage I am, just open the box without even showing it to you. So here's the box. And I've been wearing this, and there will be a review on this. And then we have the Pinrose Secret Genius Eau de Parfum. Comes with this, I think this is a 2 ounce bottle or a 3 ounce bottle, and then, I'm sorry, 1.7 fluid ounce, pardon me. And it says Master Perfumer Harry Fremont Secret Genius. And it's, there would be a review on this. I won't go into it. It looks, this box looks like this. This holographic beauty there. And then it comes with 2 chalice sizes from, so here is Gilded Fox from Pinrose, and the travel size of Secret Genius. So let's open this box. How gorgeous is this? Can you not see that on your vanity, ladies? Seriously, can you not see that? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, there will be a review. You can bank on that. There will be a review on that. And then I picked up the Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47 Protect and Perfect. This is their Home and Away set. It's Tinted Warm Glow with Natural Broad Spectrum SPF and Sun Boost ATB. So I will just open up the large one, which I've been using. There will be a review on this one as well, if I can learn to speak. And this is 4 fluid ounce. And the baby one is 0.5 fluid ounce. And again, all of this will be listed. The item numbers will be listed below. Actually, what I will do, I will put the links to each of them below. And lastly, I picked up these Guerlain Aqua Allegoria Pera Grainta Eau de Toilette and the perfume shower gel. This is going to be for my mom for Mother's Day. Because you guys already know I have this. I did a review on this already. Here it is. But for those of you who are new, I'm sure Mom won't mind me opening up and show it to you. Hopefully she won't watch this video. How gorgeous is that? This is the 4.2 fluid ounce. And this is from Guerlain. Guerlain, Paris. And then the shower gel looks like this. This is a 4.2 fluid ounce as well. I just love how clean the packaging is. So, wow. That is it for this haul. This is actually part 1. I'll be filming part 2 very soon. I thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I've shown. And don't worry, I will put a link to all of these products in the description below. So if you are interested, you just click the link and go to QVC. Again, I get nothing from it. I'm just providing the links to make it easier for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss any of my posts. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. And be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Pay it forward. Until next time. Bye-bye.